Hello guys, I'm going to upgrade the RAM size today from 12 GB to 20 GB. So this is my son's laptop. So I'm just unscrew the laptop screws here, take off the back cover. So this is a way you can take off the back cover. So just do this one, right? And this is the back cover off. Now see here. So this part is RAM locations here. So that is like an 8 GB RAM, and this is a 16 GB RAM. So before I had 12 GB total, but I'm going to make that change it 16 GB, and 16 plus 4 is like 20 GB. So total is I want to change that 20 GB. So just take off that world RAM, that is a 8 GB RAM, right? I'm going to take off that this way, and I'm just comparing that now. So see, check it out, the a teeth here, so is equal, right? Exactly. So DDR4. So, and this is a way you can put that new RAM. So that's it. So now see, that is installed, right? Now just cover it, cover that yeah, back part. Now check it out here. So it should be 20 GB. Let's see the system information here. Just click there and then type system informations. Okay, now it's opening. Now check it out here. Is there 20 GB or not? If 20 GB, that's great. Check it out. Yeah, here. See, check it out there. Is 20 GB. Great. We successfully installed that. Thanks. Bye.